Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Jet Bath Spa is probably one of the most luxurious and relaxing additions you can make to your home, transforming your ordinary bathroom into a personal sanctuary where you can unwind and rejuvenate after a long day. Imagine sinking into a warm, bubbling oasis, the powerful jets massaging away your stress and tension, creating an unparalleled spa-like experience right in your own home, offering a perfect escape from the everyday hustle and bustle and promoting overall well-being and tranquility. Number 5. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Experience the power of intense cleaning. Its oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second, effortlessly removing grime and restoring surfaces. Cut your cleaning time in half. This tool scrubs up to 2 times faster than manual scrubbing, saving you effort and giving you back valuable time. Clean with confidence in any situation. Its robust water resistance ensures reliable performance, even in damp environments. Tackle tough spots all around your home. It's perfect for faucets, tile, grout, and appliances, making every corner sparkle. Don't stop at the indoors. This versatile tool is great for cleaning patio furniture, car parts, and even your golf gear. Give your footwear a new lease on life. It polishes and deep cleans sneakers and boots, keeping them looking great and lasting longer. What we like? This scrubber offers intense cleaning power, oscillating 60 times per second to tackle grime effectively. It scrubs up to twice as fast as manual methods, saving you significant time and effort. If you're looking for a way to speed up your cleaning routine and reduce physical strain, especially for tough bathroom grout or kitchen appliance grease, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The different sized bristle tops made it easy for cleaning around tight spots. The smaller bristle head worked great in cleaning the grout. Works great in the kitchen and bathroom. Easy to find in the drawer because of the bright red color. It has a powerful battery-operated motor that can reach grime in tight spots, around faucets, hard-to-reach grout. The different heads are helpful depending on the area you're working on. Very lightweight. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Simply place one in your shower and let the soothing scents transform your space into a personal spa. Feeling stressed? These steamers are designed to help you unwind and find your calm. Let the gentle aromas melt away your worries and promote deep relaxation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? They make a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give the gift of relaxation and self-care to someone special. Infused with clarifying scents, these steamers can help clear your mind and enhance your focus. Start your day feeling refreshed and centered, or wind down with a sense of peace. Experience the power of aromatherapy in the comfort of your own home. Each pack contains 6 steamers, providing multiple opportunities for a rejuvenating shower experience. Prioritize your well-being with this essential self-care product. It's an easy and effective way to incorporate moments of tranquility and rejuvenation into your busy life. What we like? Experience a spa-like atmosphere in your shower with these steamers. They release soothing aromas designed to melt away stress and promote deep relaxation. If you're seeking a simple yet effective way to unwind after a long day or create a personal sanctuary, these are perfect for elevating your daily shower into a self-care ritual. What people say. These shower steamers are fantastic. I really appreciate the convenience of getting a single scent bag instead of a mixed assortment. The eucalyptus is exactly what I want every time, with no guessing. They're incredibly easy to use and instantly make the shower feel relaxing and spa-like. The smell is pure heaven. The way it opens your sinuses is too, and it can help, at least temporarily, stop your cough. Each steamer releases a soothing scent that fills the shower with a spa-like vibe. The essential oils are noticeable but not overwhelming, creating a truly relaxing experience. These don't dissolve instantly. When placed just off to the side of the water stream, they fizz slowly and linger long enough to enjoy almost the whole shower. Number 3. Shower Steamers Aromatherapy, Relaxation Gifts. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Transform your ordinary shower into a spa-like sanctuary. Designed for ultimate relaxation, these steamers help you unwind and de-stress after a long day. Let the soothing aromas melt your worries away. Looking for a unique gift? These make a perfect present for women and men, ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Experience the luxury of a spa without leaving your home. Simply place one in your shower and breathe in the therapeutic benefits. Incorporate a moment of calm into your everyday. These are the perfect stocking stuffers or a delightful treat for yourself. Infused with natural essential oils, they provide a powerful aromatherapy experience. Enhance your mood and well-being with every use. What we like. These shower bombs transform your ordinary shower into an aromatic escape. They are designed to provide a moment of calm and rejuvenation. If you appreciate unique gift ideas that promote well-being, or if you're looking for a delightful way to add a touch of luxury and relaxation to your own shower routine, consider these as a wonderful option. What people say. The jets are powerful and provide a great massage. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my bathroom decor. The spa features multiple settings for different massage intensities and water temperatures. Number 2. ALLJOY Foot Spa Bath Massager. Treat your feet to the ultimate relaxation experience. This foot spa is designed to soothe and rejuvenate tired soles. Enjoy the comforting warmth and invigorating bubbles that gently massage your feet. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. Experience a deep tissue massage with 6 built-in shiatsu rollers. They target pressure points to relieve tension and promote circulation. Its smart, collapsible design makes it easy to store when not in use. Enjoy a spa-like treatment anytime, anywhere. Gently exfoliate rough skin with the integrated pumice stone. Achieve smoother, softer feet with every use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This foot spa is an ideal present for parents or anyone who deserves some pampering. What we like. This foot spa offers a deep, soothing soak with the added benefits of shiatsu massage rollers and adjustable heat. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store. If you suffer from tired, achy feet, are on your feet all day, or simply want to indulge in a luxurious pedicure experience at home, this massager is an excellent investment for ultimate foot relaxation. What people say. The water heats up well, the bubbles feel soothing, and the massage rollers give a gentle massage. I love that it's collapsible so it's easy to store. You can adjust the temperature to your liking and it helps soften the foot before nail trimming. Also great for calluses. The size is just right because I live in a small apartment, so I'm happy that it's collapsible and easy for storage. It has a red light therapy option, which is super nice. The heater works great, and the bubble jets make sure the temperature stays even throughout. The compact design is terrific, because I hate wasting space. Number 1. Luxury Foldable Bathtub Tray Caddy. Enjoy a luxurious bubble bath with all your essentials right at your fingertips. This tray is designed to hold your book, wine, snacks, or phone while you unwind. Crafted from natural bamboo, this bath tray showcases elegant wood grain and a smooth finish. Its minimalist design is sure to enhance any bathroom decor. Built for the bathroom environment, this tray is waterproof and rust-proof. Silicone grips ensure it stays securely in place, providing a stable surface. Ready to use straight out of the box, this tray requires no assembly. It's expandable to fit most bathtubs, adjusting easily to your needs. Surprise your loved ones with the ultimate bath accessory. It makes a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, birthdays, or holidays. What we like. Enjoy your bath time with all your essentials conveniently within reach using this elegant bamboo tray. It's waterproof, expandable to fit most tubs, and features compartments for your book, phone, or a drink. If you love to unwind with a good book or a glass of wine during your bath and want a stylish, practical way to keep everything close by, this is the perfect accessory for a truly relaxing soak. What people say. The bamboo is sturdy, beautiful, and gives off that spa-like vibe that instantly makes your bathroom feel more luxurious. It has all the thoughtful features, a slot for a wine glass, a secure spot for a phone or tablet book, and even room for a candle or snack. I love that it's adjustable and foldable, so it fits perfectly across my tub and is easy to store when not in use. It feels super stable, nothing wobbles or slips, and the quality is great. Water-resistant finish, smooth edges, and it looks so nice sitting across the tub. Awesome accessory for our farmhouse-style bathroom and soaking tub. Fits out tub perfectly and is durable enough to hold some convenient bath time necessitates. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.